Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. In this lesson, you will be learning the alphabets. So are you ready? Here we go. You can say alphabets in German, das Alphabet. Once again, das Alphabet. Here is the first letter. A. Once again, A. The next one is B. B. The other one is say, day, day, a, f, f, gay, gay, ha, 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 e, e, yacht, yacht, kha, kha, l, l, m, m, n, n, o, o, p, p, q, q, r, r, s, s, t, t, u, u, v, 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 it's, epsilon, epsilon, set, set. Hope you liked my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe the bell icon. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.